Spatial Analysis exercise number 2. The scenario is that a tornado has ripped through a town and caused damage in a 200-meter wide area. And you are the GIS manager, you are the GIS technician, and the city manager has asked you to assess the damage and provide a report. The data that you have consists of two shape files: a parcel shape file, which shows parcels on a portion of the town, and a line shape file, which shows the path of the tornado. Let me symbolize it so that it can stand out better. So you are asked to identify the damaged building within a swath of 200 meters, 100 meters on either side of the tornado path. To do this, we are going to use a tool which is called buffer. So in the search tab, you can type in buffer and hit enter. The tools are listed. We need the second one, buffer analysis. Click on it. Now, our input feature will be the tornado path, because we want to create a buffer around the tornado path. The output feature class, you can click on this icon, navigate on your computer to the place where you save the data for your project and save it there. For this exercise, I will keep the default value. The linear unit will be 100 meter. Remember, it's 100 meter around on either side of the tornado path, and you can change the unit to meters. You have many other fields for this tool that we do not need right now. So we are ready to run the tool. Click on OK to run the tool, and you see at the bottom the tool running, and when it finishes running, the buffered area is added to the map. This is a swath of 200 meters in area in which we have major damage caused by the tornado. Now we need to find the parcels within that area, and to do that we are going to use the select by location tool. So here we are going to search for the select by location tool. And you should select layer by location data management. We want to select the parcels, the relationship, the parcels that have their centroid in the buffer area. So we want to select the parcels that have their centroid in the buffered area. Okay. Click OK to run the tool. When the tool finishes running, the parcels within the damaged area are selected. I am going to create a layer for those damaged parcels. I right-click parcel, go to selection, and create a layer from selected features. Now I can turn off the parcels and the tornado path, and I can right-click the new layer and zoom to it. Now in the table of content, you can see that a new layer has been added. It is the parcel selection, and parcel selection is not a name that tells you much. You need to be more specific. So let's change the name to something which is more telling. You click on the name of the layer first, and then a second time to make it editable. And now you can edit the name. I will name it damaged parcels. You can apply any symbology that you want. For example, you can be asked to show the initial parcels layer and the damaged parcels together. So let me bring back the parcels and clear the selection. Now I have the parcels and those that have been damaged, and you can play with the symbology to make the two layers stand out. And this is it. Now you can add this map to your report, and you can also open the attribute table of the damaged parcels. For example, this table, you can export it to a text file that you'll be able to open in Excel. On the top left, you have the table options, and when you click on the drop down arrow, you click on export. Then you can export this table to a text file. Make sure that the save as type is changed to text, and when you save this file, you'll be able to open it in Excel, further edit it, remove the columns that you do not like, add a couple of graphs, and then include it in your report. One other thing that you can do is that, for example, you have the land value, the building value, the total value. Those are fields that provide information that you can add to your report. When you hover your cursor over the name of a field and right click and click on statistics, it brings you the statistics of that layer, and it provides summary statistics: count, minimum, maximum, the total value of the parcels, the mean, the standard deviation, and it gives you also, it provides also a histogram of the distribution of parcel values. This is, for example, a window that you can add to your presentation or to your report. All you need to do is on your keyboard, hit the print screen and print the screen, paste it and crop it to keep only this window, and this will add to your report. Of course, ArcMap has built-in tools that allow you to create directly a report from ArcMap, but that's not the purpose of this exercise. So that is it. Thank you.